Graham's asked, is capital gains tax due upon property sale for a British overseas investor having a British passport? Yes, you're correct. So you pay capital gain tax on the pure profit from selling your property. The good news with that is you can offset a lot of your costs there. So mortgage is offset as well. So your capital gains is judged based upon the pure amount of profit you have. So the profit you've made after you've sold the property, paid off your mortgage, and paid off all of your other costs. Capital gains tax in the UK, to go a little deeper, I'm not a tax advisor, so I won't go too deep, but just to give you some insight, the two rates, whether you're a British passport holder or not, it's 18 or 28% you're looking at. So for some people that may seem a little high, especially if, like Sean and myself, you live in a territory with no capital gains or lower tax. However, as mentioned, the UK property market, if you factor in what we said about areas like Birmingham and Coventry, with 5% increase each year, with compounding, you're looking at the property price doubling in around kind of 12 to 15 years. So you do stand to be in a position where you've made a very large property profit when you look at selling. So capital gains tax, 18 or 20%, 28% is not that bad. It's something you can kind of factor in as well when you're purchasing the property. Some people opt to go for a lower value property or a couple of lower value properties for that. The difference between 18 and 28% just depends on the amount of profit you've made.
How can I help you? In two ways. First of all, are you an expat, a high net wealth individual, or just somebody who lives in a part of the world where it's difficult to get access to quality investment solutions? In which case, go onto my website on adamfayed.com and find out more. If you don't fit into any of those categories, then in which case there's a range of free material on my website, on this YouTube channel, and indeed on my Quora, where I get over 200 or have received over 231 million views in the last few years. And finally, if you want to actually read my thoughts in more detail, go onto Amazon and find my book on there.